Hey, what's up, family? What's up, friends? This is me tapping in, the OG, tapping in with you to just talk a little bit about what you can possibly do to be able to become successful in the markets and navigate these markets. And if you haven't hopped in, good reasons why you should maybe think about hopping into these markets. None of what I'm about to say is financial advice. I'm just here to kick it with you. You see this gray beard right here? It's a lot of wisdom in this beard, and not just as it pertains to the markets, but as it pertains to life. It's a lot of people out there doing their thing and getting their money and helping people navigate the markets and make money in the markets. And I'm just joining that team. So what I really want to share with you today is one of the best things that you can do if you haven't done it is just get out of debt. And I know that's definitely easier said than done. And it's going to be, it might be a struggle, it might be a challenge, but if you can work towards decreasing your debt until you get to the point to where you're debt free, it can help you position yourself to on your way to wealth creation. Not just getting rich, not just having a little money, not just having a little bit of disposable income, but having money that you're stacking in the markets for your grandkids and their grandkids, like what big money does. They don't say they're not stacking all this money for themselves. They want this money for their generations that coming after them. They want to leave a legacy, and that's what you can do if you figure out a way to get off of the corporate plantation and find a way to become self-sufficient in these markets and in with your own financial matters. And if you haven't opened a brokerage account, or if you don't know anything about opening a brokerage account, it's very easy. You can download it, put your information in. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. And I've said before, if I get any requests or enough requests to do a video on how to open a brokerage account, then I'll do a video and put it on the screen and show you step by step how to open a brokerage account. And once you get in a brokerage account, you can have money, $5 a week going from your paycheck, $10 a week going from your paycheck. You can start investing with as little as $20 if you want to, and learn the game. You can go in there and learn how to paper trade. You can learn how to trade the markets as you're becoming an investor. You can invest into safe places and put your money in companies that you know, like, and love right now while this market is downtrending, and you can start positioning yourself for financial freedom right today, or right tomorrow, or as soon as you can, as soon as you get paid. And like I said, once you start eliminating debt out of your life, life is going to change for you. I became debt free last year. I've been trading these markets for 5 years. And it's been a struggle over those 5 years. I've taken losses and taken gains and gotten too happy and gotten too down and try to navigate my own emotions and figure out that those emotions are something that you can't have as a trader. But as an investor, you don't have to worry about that. If you're an investor, then you're putting money in companies that are safe and that are going to protect your money. And you can put your money in places like dividend paying stocks, and then those stocks will send you a check every 30 or 90 or every 6 months, however often they pay out their dividends. There's all kind of safe ways that you can invest in the market. And now is a great time to get in while the market is red, the market is down. There's a lot of fear out there. Warren Buffett said, and I say this all the time, when people are fearful, that's when you should be greedy. And when people are greedy and over happy and the euphoria is all out there, that's when you should be careful, and that's when you should be fearful. So consider joining my team. Consider hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and join my team, and let me help you help yourself gain that financial literacy, that financial freedom, or those extra coins that you want to put in your pocket just because you can. So with that being said, if it's any kind of information I can give you to help you get off that plantation, then I'm going to try to provide that information for you right here on G Trades TV. Peace.